Hi, mi amigos. It is me, Amoe. I let AI design my dream trip, and somehow I ended up in Ibiza, surrounded by glowsticks, fruit cocktails, and something called sunset yoga for amoebas. From where to go, what to pack, what to eat, everything was done by AI, and it had some very bold ideas about my program. So fasten your seatbelt. I'll describe every chaotic detail. I used a tool called Roam Around. It's a free AI travel planner. You can use it in your web browser or download the free app on the App Store. And yes, you can log in with your Google account. Easy and secure. You just type in your destination and select how many days you want to go. You can also add custom instructions like make it family-friendly, include museums, or even plan everything around food. The AI reads that and builds a day-by-day itinerary with cool spots to visit, places to eat, and fun things to explore. It's like your vacation builds itself. The basic version is totally free, and honestly, hat might be all you need. But if you want more features like save trips, PDF downloads, etc., there is a pro version. It is perfect for families, solo travelers, students planning school trips, or even Amoes. So let me tell you what I did. So I typed, plan a summer vacation in Ibiza for a curious amoeba who loves snacks, electronical musics, and sunset adventures. I let Roam Around do the magic. It comes up with the following program. Day 1. Arrive in Ibiza town. Check into your stylish beach hotel. Then, Roam Around tells me to get dressed up in the evening. Master's at Work, a house duo from New York City, is playing here. I cannot wait. This sounds like dancing until my amoeba feet hurt. Then it goes. Day 2. After you wake up, you have a huge breakfast with exotic fruits. Then, you chill at the beach. Towards the evening, you enjoy a sunset DJ set. Then, Day 3. Amoeba yoga on the cliffs, nighttime market, floating spot. I didn't expect AI to know my soul, but here we are. Then I asked, what should I pack? And the AI was ready. Glow-in-the-dark flip-flops, a reversible poncho wetsuit, sunscreen with marshmallow flavor, a waterproof journal, emergency beach snacks, ice cream, and fruit cubes. That list is ridiculous. I packed everything. For food, AI mixed Mediterranean chic with a dash of edible chaos, grilled calamari, chilled avocado foam with citrus mist, fried digital olives, dessert, amoeba sorbet, no explanation provided. Somehow, I ended up on a tasting menu titled Textures of the Sea. It included a jelly shot, a microchip cracker, and a sea breeze served in a mist dome. Delicious. Confusing. 10 out of 10. Now the activities. AI gave me the full experience. Day 4. Afternoon cliff float. Holographic dance party in an old lighthouse. Evening journaling under an LED moon. And then Day 5. Snorkeling with dolphins. AI-guided silent disco meditation. I didn't just go on vacation. I went on a digital retreat for my soul. Real talk? This is useful. Roam Around gave me a full itinerary in seconds. No scrolling, no spreadsheets, just vibes. You can get a legit plan for your next trip, or a weird one like mine, just by typing your destination and adding your personality. Want to try it? Get Roam Around and type. Plan a vacation for someone who wants to relax, eat well, and do weird stuff near the water. It will deliver. Next time, I would like to talk to you. We have made 10 episodes so far, and I want to reflect with you. I want to hear from you what you have loved, what you want more of, and what this weird little show should become. So bring your ideas, your chaos, your AI dreams, and I'll bring the fun. Until then, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me for my next adventure. Stay creative. Stay sun-kissed. Stay squishy, my ravers.